Hello, Carol here. Welcome to Bottoms Down, Chair Yoga for Everyone. I'm here with Therese. She's a new yogi for the Bottoms Down community, and Therese will be leading a number of classes in the future, and we love having you.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
I'm so glad. So tell me, how long have you been teaching yoga?
You know, I started teaching yoga about 20 years ago. It seems crazy that it's been that long since I've been teaching yoga, but yeah.
Okay, now tell me, have you done mostly mat yoga or have you done a lot of chair yoga? How does that work?
I primarily was teaching mat yoga when I first started.
Right.
And as I got into the yoga world and started teaching more, I realized that the senior population needed something like a chair-based yoga classes that are good chair-based yoga classes. You know, some people just can't get up and down off the floor, and so chair yoga is perfect for them, and we still get a great workout and can, you know, do everything, but we have a little extra support.
I love that, and I totally agree with you.
Yes.
So with your career as a nurse and a lactation consultant, what would you consider one of the greatest benefits of yoga or chair yoga?
You know, yoga to me is so great because when you're doing a workout, you can do it all. You can do your cardio, you can do your strength training, and stretching. And stretching is one of those undervalued pieces of health and fitness that so many of us don't focus on. And it's important that we focus on it, especially as we age. So you get it all when you do yoga.
I couldn't agree more. All right, so what is one of your favorite poses?
Oh, well, I love downward dog. Downward dog is so grounding for me, you know, and you just get, I mean, it's, you get a little bit of upper body work, you get a little bit of leg work, and it's like kind of that place where you can move to so many other places in yoga.
That's great. That's great. All right. Well, thank you so much, Therese, for joining us, and we're excited to have you as a new yogi in our Bottoms Down community.
Thank you.
So everyone, enjoy your chair yoga classes with Therese.